This is Steve. Today we're in Newport Beach, California, where we just finished an amazing wine cellar. Hello, this is Steve. Today we're going to talk a little bit about this wine cellar here in Newport Beach. Really cool attributes and things we did for this wine cellar. One thing in particular is using these light panels. Very unique thing that Wine Cellar Designers Group has come out with, as well as we also have these alcohol lit up light panels as well. So you put a really good bottle of 1942, a bottle of whiskey, it really lights it up, makes it look really great. Other things we do have is the Wine Cellar Designers Group triple deep brushed pegs. Those will hold 3 bottles at a time in a brushed finish. And see, it's being held here by a standoff. So what we do is we stand off those panels about 1 inch off from the back, holding up those light panels. So it's a light panel sandwiched in with a white acrylic that illuminates that light to be able to show off the bottles that you have here. What we also have here is case storage on the right hand side. We have some horizontal displays here for champagnes. We got onto the alcohol lit up panels, as well as, and what I would love to do is show you kind of what that would look like as you put that. It lights up the bottle. And as you can see here, this is without lighting. So what makes this room so amazing is the light panels that come on. The lighting aspects of the whole thing is what makes this cellar so stunning. The panels are made of, it's a light panel sandwiched in with a 3/4 inch white acrylic. And then we CNC the holes to be able to fit the triple deep Wine Cellar Designers Group brushed pegs.
So the light panels basically give it a very ultra-modern, contemporary style.
It's a very ultra-modern, contemporary design to kind of go with the home here in Newport Beach. So some of the challenges with this room or this space, if you don't see it now, there's the sun that comes into this space almost all day. So the problem we had, luckily today is a cloudy day. It's a little bit overcast, but what you would have is sun coming right into the glass. And so we were able to refrigerate this room safely, without condensation, without any issues, because what we used is a metal frame. We did a metal framed enclosed stainless steel glass enclosure, and we did that specifically because of the sun hitting this space. This space cannot have a frameless solution. You can't have frameless glass in this solution because the sun would affect that glass, and the cooling unit would run a lot longer. It would be running all the time, as well as you would have a problem with condensation. So when sun hits the glass, you would create some more heat, which would then have some challenges.
So how does having a frame,
So what's great about
solve that
having a
problem?
frame is that you're going to have a better seal. So this is sealed off the room. The refrigeration unit works significantly better. It works less amount of time, and you have that seal to create no condensation, no issues with any wet bottles or anything else.